What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble and package your Titan array system. So to assemble your system, you're going to connect all three of these array pieces onto the top of your sub. You'll also notice that each of these arrays are built a little differently. For example, this array here has the ridges on the mount at the bottom, so this is going to be the array that we first put on the top of the sub. So you're going to line up the mount of your array to the port here on top of the sub, and you're going to want to make sure that these ridges line up on the sub and on the array. So once you do that, the array is going to be a bit slanted, so we're just going to center it like so. And to make sure that it's properly connected to the sub, we're just going to push down a little bit. Then you'll hear that little thud letting you know that it's properly connected. Next, you're going to grab the array that has the mount on the bottom and the hole here on the top. And then you're going to line the mount up to the port here from the first array, just like this. And again, you're going to want to push down to make sure that it's properly connected. Then we're just going to take the very last array and do the exact same thing by lining up the mount to the port here on top of the second array. Push it down, and now we have all three arrays connected to the sub. So now that we've got the system assembled and the power running, let's go ahead and turn on the system. So once you're all done with your system, we can go ahead and pack it up using the included bags here. To disassemble the system, we're just going to start at the very top here and just pull out our first array like so. Going to do the exact same thing with the second array and just pull it up. And now with the last array here, we're actually going to twist it like so that this way the ridges on the mount on the bottom of the array matches with the ridges on the top of the sub. So now we can just carefully lift up on the last array here. And now we've got all three arrays ready to go. Now we can pack up our arrays using our small bag here. And if you look inside, you'll see there's a divider for each array. So I can take one array and place it inside my divider in the middle. I can take my second array and place it right next to the first one. And then I'm going to take the last array and place it on the opposite side. From here, I can pull up on the back of the bag so that it's covering up the array. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the front of the bag here. And then I can just use the zipper to close it up. There's even a hole in the middle of the zipper if you wanted to run a padlock through for extra security. After that, I can take both of the handles here and join them together using the Velcro. And now the arrays are all packed up and ready to go. We also have our cover here for the sub. So all we're gonna do is line up the bottom of the cover to the top of this sub and then just pull down on the cover so it's completely covering this sub. You'll see there's an opening here for the handles of the sub so we can still pick it up and place it in our car or in storage. There's even a pouch on the back so we can place our power cables, microphones, etc. From here, we can take our system and load it into our vehicle, or we can even load it into a cart like our very own rock cart to bring it around to our gig or event. So hopefully this showed you guys how to assemble and disassemble your Titan array system. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.